Hey there! Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi. I'm doing well, thanks. And how about you? Feels like it's been ages since we last met.
I'm really good, thank you. Life has kept me busy with work and personal commitments. Speaking of which, how's your job going?
It's been pretty busy lately, but I have no complaints. I enjoy the challenges it brings and the opportunities for growth. How about you? Any interesting projects going on?
Definitely. I'm working on an exciting project related to developing a new mobile application. It's been a tough journey, but I'm loving every moment of it.
That sounds awesome. I always admire your passion for app development. It's bound to be a big success. By the way, do you have any time for yourself amidst all the work?
I'm trying to. I've started practicing mindfulness and meditation to help me maintain balance. Also, I often take walks in the park to clear my mind. It's really refreshing.
That's great. Taking care of yourself is really important. I should take a leaf out of your book and incorporate some self-care practices into my schedule. Do you have any other hobbies or interests you're pursuing?
Absolutely. Recently, I've joined a cooking class. It's been really fun experimenting with new recipes and flavors. I even hosted a small dinner party for friends last week.
That sounds fantastic. I've always admired your cooking skills. I'd love to attend one of your dinner parties sometime. Speaking of get-togethers, any exciting plans for the upcoming weekend?
Actually, yes. I'm planning a weekend getaway to a nearby beach. It's been a while since I had some relaxation and enjoyed the sunshine. Would you like to join me?
Oh, that sounds tempting. Unfortunately, I already have plans to visit family, but I appreciate the invitation. We should definitely plan a trip together in the future. How about you? Any other exciting plans for the upcoming weekend?
No problem. Family time is important too. As for me, I'm looking forward to some beachside relaxation, reading a good book, and indulging in local cuisine. I'll be sure to bring back some souvenirs for you.
Sounds like a dream weekend. Don't forget to share pictures and stories when you return. I can't wait to hear all about it. Oh, have you watched any good movies or read any interesting books lately?
Funny you should ask. I recently watched an inspiring film that made me reflect on deep life questions. And as for books, I was blown away by a gripping thriller that I couldn't put down. I'd be happy to recommend them to you.
Oh, I'm always on the lookout for movies and books to watch and read. Please do share. It's been a while since I've enjoyed a good movie or an engaging book. Thank you in advance.
Absolutely. I'll send you some recommendations right away. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Well, it's been great chatting with you. Let's try not to let too much time pass before we meet again.
I completely agree. Time really flies, doesn't it? Let's make an effort to stay in touch more regularly. Take care, my friend, and have a fantastic day.
Same to you. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy and success. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Until we meet again, take care and keep shining.